that video I made on how to plan your dissertation or your coursework? Well, I have decided to make a tool that will help you with your planning and implementation. So, ladies and gentlemen, subscribers, I introduce you to the academic planner. This planner was carefully thought out. So, how does this planner work? Alright, so the planner is a printable and it has about 5 different colors. So based on your choice, you can pick or print as many as you want, and you can print whatever color you desire. And there are different parts to it. As you can see in this video, this is the first page, and this gives like a broad overview of what you really want to do in the coursework or academic writing or thesis or whatever it is you're planning for. So in this case, I'm assuming I'm planning for a thesis, and this is the chapter 1 I am planning for. So you can pick a part of it and put or a chapter or whatever you're planning for and plan for it. What's the duration? How long do you want it to last? What are the things that you want to see in your essay that you're planning for? So create a structure for it. What this does is it creates a roadmap for you, and it kind of gives you clarity on what to do next and what to expect, so you don't just leave it all up in your head and then get all up in your emotions. Because oftentimes when you're trying to structure what your essay should look like and you don't have it written down or planned out, you get stuck at some point because everything is in your head. So to avoid that getting stuck or basically, that is why I designed this planner. It makes it really easy. It makes you know when to put an argument, where to put your critical analysis, the angle or the path to which you're going for. All these are necessary, all these are important if you want to write a very good strategic essay. Remember that video on the best strategy when writing your essay, the best format, the best strategy to get a distinction? Well, this planner is that tool that you need to actualize getting a distinction. Please don't get me wrong. Having this planner doesn't mean you have a distinction. It means if you have this planner and you plan out what you want to do, you have a very good strategy, and you utilize that strategy. The utilization part is the most important part of the planner. No one can do that for you but you. But what this planner does is it makes your work easier. It creates a path for you. It makes your writing easy. You have a checklist. What are the things you need to have when writing this essay? In my case, I wrote Mendeley, critical analysis. I've done videos on all this. So if there is still anything you want me to do a video on, make sure to leave it in the description box. And I hope you have liked and subscribed so far. One other important thing that I think I added to this planner that actually makes it really special are words of affirmation from the Bible. They are quotes from the Bible, but I literally paraphrased those quotes and made them into words of affirmations. So I put the verses where I got them from in there. And these are some of the words that keeps me going, and I thought to share them and let you know that you're not alone. God's got you. and everything is possible because He has given us the power to do all things. Alright. So another section is this weekly planner. I mean, it's only right that we have several sections to this planner. The first part gives an overview of a section of your academic work. Say, for example, the introduction part, which is chapter 1. If you intend to write it for 3 weeks, so what do you do every day for those 3 weeks? That is what this weekly planner solves. You have a weekly focus. You have a daily guide of what to do each day. And what I want to advise is, do not overwhelm yourself daily. Do within your means. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Don't try to do too much. I have explained all this in how to plan your dissertation. Take time out. Rest. Do something you love. So each week, have a focus for what you want to achieve. Don't let it be too ambiguous. Let it be something achievable. Remember the SMART principle, SMART. So apply the SMART principle also when you're using your planner. And I have also created something very beautiful in this planner, which is the self-care part of it. Take time out for your mental health. Academic writing, coursework is draining. So anything that you can do to reduce your stress level, please do. And that is what this self-care section is for. And don't forget, God has got great plans for us all. And that's what the quote on this particular section says. So bear that in mind and take your time while doing anything, everything when it comes to your academic work. Do not stress yourself. I mean, there are going to be important deadlines when you're doing your academic writing. And the good thing is, this planner has taken that into consideration. Deadlines can range from the day of your submission or the day you want to send a draft to your supervisor to preview for you, or even maybe you want to send it to me. All that has been taken into consideration, and this particular section helps with that. If you put a date there and you have it maybe on your fridge, on your mood board, on your vision board, and you say regularly, you tend not to forget. Another thing that can help is to use colored pens. I did not use that. I was just trying to show you the different sections and how this planner can help with that. So make sure to utilize the planner to the maximum. You know how an idea comes to you randomly, and when you're trying to remember it later, you realize you've forgotten it? Well, there is an aspect of this planner that helps with that. It helps with your ideas. Never forget them anymore. You know, one thing I've realized here, if you actually write it down, it's going nowhere. You're stuck with the idea. Therefore, that's what this part of the planner helps with. I am of the opinion that hands-on, anytime, any day, still beats digital for me. Call me old school, but that's okay. But I like hands-on. I like to feel involved. I think that's the reason. It makes me feel involved. So I think it could be ideas about what you're writing. It could be ideas that are not even related to what you're writing, but they are your ideas. You are the center of it all. So never forget them anymore. Just write them down. Use colored pens. I can't overemphasize that. It helps. So this is just to show you how this planner works. And I hope you love it. And click on the link in the description box to get one. I would really appreciate it. So far, I hope you loved the video and you've liked and subscribed. Okay? So make sure to get your planner, and I wish you all the very best in your academic work. Till I see you again, guys, make sure you put a smile on somebody's face. Love and peace. Bye.